My favourite dish today was the Moroccan jewel salad. Gorgeous textures, lovely flavours, fresh, beautiful, healthy.
I think my favourite dish was the Greek one with like the tzatziki and the rice and like the chicken, and it was really good with like the cucumber and all the flavours really well together.
My favourite dish was the chickpea curry. That was very yummy and the spice was perfect.
Surprisingly, the sweet and sour chicken, I would have liked to have seen more vegetables in it, but other than that, I thought it was a great taste, great colour, great smell, really enjoyable to eat, not messy at all, good source of protein, and all the food groups was really good.
It would have to be the spinach, chickpea and sweet potato curry. The flavour was gorgeous, it smelled fantastic, and I think children will really enjoy that.
I think that they would probably buy the burrito because that's like what they're most familiar with.
Today I would have bought either the Greek chicken salad, I thought that was really great. I also enjoyed the wrap. Very different meals, but both really tasty, easy to eat, and yeah, just delicious.